Hello YouTube, Happy New Year's. This is the first video in 2011 and I hope you will get years of success, a lot of success. Okay, and the first video of the years I will talk about the Mastercam trim toolpath. The Mastercam trim toolpath allow you to remove the unwanted move in the toolpath. Or unnecessary, that can be the air cutting. So in case you want to remove the unnecessary move, the air cutting move, you can use the trim toolpath. It's very simple. Or if you don't want to use the trim toolpath, you can use the high speed toolpath. It has some function that allow you to remove unwanted move by define the stock. In this video I just want to talk about the trim toolpath. Yes, and don't care about high speed or something like this, just trim toolpath only. Okay, and firstly you can take a look on this. I have two parts here, one in the left and one in the right. The first part I have a rectangular part with a circular pocket uh, in the middle, and the second part here you can see this our part. I will turn on the level for you to see. Okay, I have three level here, one for the vice. I will turn the vice off, and so you can see our two part, one and one. You can see I have the stock and the part. The stock in the green color, you can see it's the initial stock. I will turn it up. Okay, you can see here is the final part in orange and blue color. This is our final parts. Why I need two parts? I will show you because we have two case. You need to take note it. Okay. So here the parts and this is the stock. All right. Okay. For the first part, I uh, I have a stock here that's already machined the circular pocket. And when you want to, okay, I will turn the stock off. All right. So I want to machine this inside this rectangle pocket, but I don't want the tool to go recut this circular pocket. That's the air cutting and there are some unwanted move. I don't want it, so I will use the trim toolpath to remove the the move of the tool in this area. Okay, let's try with the pocket toolpath here. I will select the chain. All right, and okay, I will select an entry point for the toolpath. All right, and I select the tool. This is a 3/8 flat end mill. Okay, so pocket type is select standard. 0 here. Okay, 0. And roughing, and select the cutting method. Alright, and entry motion, I will select and jump over to off, and finish, I will deactivate it. Okay, the depth, I'm select this. Alright, time stop. Okay, and the feed plane. We need some depth cut. Okay. Alright, you can see here our pocket Toolpath. You can see that with the stock we have some air cutting move here in the circular pocket. Yes, and these are not accessory. So if you want to remove the tool inside this circular pocket, you can use the trim toolpath. Before using the trim toolpath, you need to create a curve to define the boundary you want to trim the toolpath. So in this, I will draw a circle, for example, 1.1. Alright, I draw a circle here. You can see that, and I will go to the toolpath, and this is the trim toolpath, and click on it. And then your Mastercam will ask you to select trimming boundary. Okay, I will select this close contour and ping. And Mastercam will ask you to enter a point on the side to keep. If you want to keep the toolpath outside the contour, you can click on the outside. If you want to keep the toolpath inside the circular curve here, you can click inside. In this case, I will click outside. Alright. And operation to trim, you select this pocket operation. So you have two option here. You can select to keep the tool up or keep the tool down. Alright. I'll keep the tool up here. And the TC plan, you can select the tool plan and can construct plan for the trimming toolpath. Okay, in this case we select the top, and let's see what happened. You can see after the trim toolpath activated, in the pocket toolpath you have a simple scissor symbol here that's show you that the pocket toolpath has been trimmed. Alright, let's do a backlog. You can see the toolpath has been trimmed. You can see the retract motion of the tool here, but in this case the tool will plunge straight into the part, so you need to make some adjustment to the boundary to let the tool plunge outside the part. So I will reduce the boundary diameter. I can use the offset method. Alright, offset contour here. For example, I have set a distance of 0.3. Okay, and we will edit the toolpath, and then select the pocket and regenerate it. Okay, now the tool is plunged outside the part. Yes, you can see the retract motion. Because the boundary is too small, the toolpath in this area and this area cannot be trimmed. Okay, that's the trim toolpath with the T plan and C plan. You should take note on the TC plan. On the first example, I select the TC plan is the top surface in the top plane. Okay, like this. And the toolpath will trim in this direction. The boundary will be project to the top plane, and the toolpath will be trimmed on this direction. You can see here. This is the TC plan with top plane selected. Yes, please take a note on this. Alright. If you select the keep tool down option, let's see what happened. Click on the pocket and regenerate it. You will see there's no different because the tool will not retract, so it's not different with the original toolpath. Yes, this is trim toolpath with the keep tool down option. The tool will not retract. Okay, this is the first case I want to talk about the TC plane in the top plane, and the second part, like the second part here, I will talk about the trim toolpath with a different TC plane. Okay, let's talk about the part. I will turn some layer. I will turn the stock layer level on. So okay, this is our second part. We have the stock like this in the green color, and we put the part on the fixture, and we want to create a taper angle here, so the part will sit at an angle like this, and we need some facing toolpath to remove the top material here. Yeah, I will remove the green color material here. You can using the facing toolpath, you can using the contour toolpath, anything you want. All right, I will show the part for you to see. Okay, in this case, for example, I will create a contour toolpath. I will draw a line. Oh, sorry, check on the 3D option and create a line from this point to this point. All right, I have the line, and I will create a contour toolpath to do the facing. Okay, I will use a 1-inch flat end mill to cut. I will change the compensation type to off and let in 0.6 with no arc let in. Alright, and the same for exit. And linking parameter, depth incremental, top of stock I will input later. Alright, so we have the contour toolpath to cut the top material. I will again turn the stock on like this. You can see the tool will cut the top material. Yes, but in this case the tool cut a lot of material at the same time, so it's not good. I will activate the depth of cut option, but at first we need to define the top of stock. I will pick a point on this to define the top of stock, right? Okay, and we activate the depth cut option. For example, I want to cut x maximum 0.1 inch per cut, so you can see that. For example, I will make it smaller for you to see. For example, uh 500. Okay, yes, you can see here I have the depth cut. Mm, oh man, you can see that. You can see the problem. Do you see this? Sure, I'm sure you see this. You can see we have a lot of air cutting move like this. At the first cut, I only cut a little bit here, but it had to travel a long distance to finish the contour, and it the same for following move. You can see is the non-cutting move. Yes, it's a waste of time, and it will increase the circle time a lot. So until this cut, it had a full cut, but on the top cut, you can see there's a lot of air cutting move, and that's not good. It's a waste of time. So that's our problem, and I will show you how to use the trim toolpath to solve this problem. Okay. Alright. As I told you before we create a trim toolpath, we need to create a boundary, a trim boundary. In the first part, I have draw a boundary in the top plane, but in this case, we need to draw a boundary in this direction. That's mean the front. Yes, I will create a front or back side. The Mastercam trim toolpath work on different plan. Yes, that's a good option. Okay, I will create a boundary to trim the toolpath. I will activate it to the environment, so I can create a light here. I will change the color. I will change the wireframe color. Oh shit, sorry. Pick on this. Okay, the black. I like the black color. Alright, I will draw a boundary here. Yes, I have one. And for example, I have one here. Okay, and let line this. Oh, why? Oh, where's my line? Line. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm too old. Line. Okay, you can see that we have two lines here. For the boundary, create one more. Alright. So in this case, we create the boundary in the front plane, not the top plane. So the Mastercam will project this curve to the front face and it will trim in this direction, not in the top direction, like in the first part. Okay, and I will turn the park on. Alright. And okay. You can see here. This is our trimming boundary. Alright, I will create another trim toolpath and I select this contour. With the trim toolpath, the boundary must be closed. Yes, please remember that the boundary must be closed. Okay, and I enter a point on the side to keep. I will pick a point uh, inside a triangle. Okay, and I will select the contour 2D here, and I will select the keep tune up option. And in this case, I will select the TC plan is front. You can see our tool plan and construction plan for the trim is front, and you will see the difference. Yeah, that's cool, right? Okay. Pum 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 pum. That's cool. But we still have a problem. That's the tool we plunge straight into the park. That's not good. We don't want it. So what we want to do? I gonna extend the boundary. I will extend the boundary. Okay. Turn this up. Alright, we extend this boundary in this direction so the tool will not plunge into the park. Alright. Extend. For the 1-inch tool, I want to extend a distance greater than the tool radius. Okay, for example, 0.6. Alright, 0.6 enough. And yes, that's cool. I can delete this one and I'll create another line here. That's cool. And alright, I will add the trim toolpath. Okay, let's select and reselect the chain. Mastercam had reselect the chain for us. So just need to generate the toolpath. Generate the toolpath. Alright, cool. Let's turn the park on. Oh, turn the park on, turn the stock on. Alright, let's do a back plot. We have a look from the front. So, yes, cool. Now the tool has a save. Plug in. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. You can see now you can have a closer look on the advantage of the trim toolpath, right? We have reduced a lot of air cutting move, and this very good. This reduce the circle time a lot. Yes, very cool. Yes, with the trim toolpath, I want you to. I hope you can remember this. TC plan is very important. Is define the direction which the toolpath will be trimmed. Yes, very important. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you. As I told you before, the trim toolpath is will be effective on 2D and 3D toolpath, but Mastercam at the moment they provide us the high-speed toolpath which allow you to define the stock shape, so you don't need to make a trim toolpath. That's it, the high-speed toolpath. With high-speed toolpath, you just define the stock, and you don't have to create any trim toolpath. Yes, that's the benefit of the high-speed toolpath. But in this video, I just want to talk about the trim toolpath for some simple toolpath. Alright, thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Again, Happy New Year. Bye bye.